Every relationship is a reflection of how we show up in the world. Whether it's love, friendships, or family, the way we communicate and connect shapes our lives in profound ways. Are you ready to deepen your relationships and create lasting bonds? Then make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new insight. And tell us, what's one relationship challenge you're currently working on? Drop it in the comments. Discover the secrets to thriving in intercultural relationships. This bookshot offers a roadmap to turn cultural differences into opportunities for deeper connection and growth. Explore practical strategies, entertaining stories, and expert insights to guide your journey to love and understanding. How well do you understand cultural differences in relationships? Relationships are inherently challenging, and adding cultural differences to the mix can either complicate matters or enrich the experience, depending on how these differences are managed. Test your knowledge and see how prepared you are to navigate these complexities. The quiz consists of 10 questions designed to challenge and inform you. Question 1. What is the first step in successfully managing cultural differences in a relationship? A. Ignoring them and focusing on similarities. B. Understanding and acknowledging them. C. Letting your partner handle all cultural conflicts. D. Seeking advice from friends and family. Question 2. Which of the following is a major benefit of embracing cultural differences in a relationship? A. Increased understanding and empathy. B. Guaranteed financial success. C. Less need for communication. D. Higher social status. Question 3. Which of the following is a common challenge in intercultural relationships? A. Deciding where to live. B. Understanding each other's cultural norms and values. C. Choosing a shared hobby. D. Agreeing on favorite foods. Question 4. What is an effective strategy for dealing with language barriers in an intercultural relationship? A. Using only nonverbal communication. B. Learning and practicing each other's languages. C. Avoiding complex conversations. D. Speaking in your native language only. Question 5. How can couples balance family traditions from different cultures? A. By choosing one culture's traditions over the other. B. By avoiding family gatherings. C. By creating new blended traditions. D. By sticking strictly to their own cultural practices. Question 6. What role does flexibility play in navigating cultural differences in relationships? A. It's not necessary. Sticking to your own way is more important. B. It helps find solutions that work for both partners. C. It makes the relationship weaker. D. It's only important in the beginning. Question 7. According to experts, why is open communication crucial in intercultural relationships? A. It allows partners to avoid discussing difficult topics. B. It helps prevent misunderstandings and resolve conflicts. C. It lets one partner dominate the conversation. D. It's only needed in the early stages of the relationship. Question 8. How can couples deal with societal pressures and stereotypes in intercultural relationships? A. By conforming to societal expectations. B. By supporting each other and focusing on their own relationship. C. By hiding their relationship from society. D. By adopting only one partner's cultural norms. Question 9. What should be a primary focus for couples to build a strong foundation in their relationship despite cultural differences? A. Identifying shared values and goals. B. Avoiding discussions about culture. C. Spending less time with each other's families. D. Concentrating on career advancement. Question 10. Why is celebrating each other's cultural traditions beneficial in a relationship? A. It shows respect and fosters understanding. B. It makes the relationship more competitive. C. It eliminates the need for new traditions. D. It reduces the need for communication. How well did you score? Listen to the end of the bookshot to find the answers, reflect on your results, and discover how these insights can help you navigate cultural differences in your own relationships. Imagine a couple, Maria from Spain and James from the United States, who met during a university exchange program. They quickly fell in love, but soon realized that their different cultural backgrounds brought unique challenges and joys to their relationship. This bookshot will explore how Maria and James, and countless other couples, can navigate these differences effectively. Understanding cultural differences, the first step. The importance of cultural awareness. The first step in navigating cultural differences is understanding and acknowledging them. Cultural awareness involves recognizing that cultural norms and values influence behaviors, communication styles, and relationship expectations. Example: Maria is used to late dinners and long family gatherings, whereas James prefers early dinners and shorter, more frequent family interactions. Recognizing these cultural habits is the first step in finding a middle ground. Dugan Romano's book, Intercultural Marriage, emphasizes that cultural differences can lead to misunderstandings and conflicts, but can also be a source of strength and enrichment. Romano suggests that couples should educate themselves about each other's cultures and be open to learning and adapting. Dr. John Gottman, a relationship expert, notes that understanding your partner's cultural background can enhance empathy and reduce conflicts. Communicating effectively, the bridge to understanding. Overcoming language barriers. Language can be a significant barrier in intercultural relationships. Even when couples speak a common language, idiomatic expressions and slang can lead to confusion. Story: Maria once asked James to take it easy, a phrase she learned in an English class, but he interpreted it as her not taking their relationship seriously. They laughed about it later, but it highlighted the need for clear communication. The role of nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication, including gestures, facial expressions, and body language, varies across cultures. What is considered polite in one culture may be rude in another. Example: in Spain, a cheek kiss is a common greeting, while in the US, a handshake is more typical. Maria and James had to learn and respect each other's nonverbal cues. Love languages, a universal approach. Gary Chapman's The 5 Love Languages provides a framework for expressing and receiving love. The 5 love languages, words of affirmation, acts of service, receiving gifts, quality time, and physical touch, transcend cultural boundaries and can be a powerful tool in any relationship. Chapman emphasizes the importance of learning and speaking your partner's love language, especially in intercultural relationships where cultural differences can complicate expressions of love. Application: Maria's love language is quality time, while James values words of affirmation. Understanding this helped them express love in ways that resonated with each other. According to Chapman, knowing your partner's love language can make or break a relationship. He suggests that couples take the time to discover and cater to each other's love languages. Navigating family and social expectations. Balancing family traditions. Family expectations can significantly impact intercultural relationships. Couples must find a balance between honoring their cultural traditions and creating new ones together. Story: during their first Christmas together, Maria wanted to follow her family's tradition of celebrating on Christmas Eve, while James was accustomed to Christmas Day festivities. They decided to merge their traditions, celebrating on both days, which brought them closer. Dealing with societal pressure. Societal expectations and stereotypes can also pose challenges. Couples may face external pressures to conform to cultural norms or stereotypes. Example: friends and family often teased James about adopting Spanish customs, while Maria faced questions about Americanizing her lifestyle. They learned to support each other and ignore societal pressures, focusing instead on what worked for them as a couple. Conflict resolution: turning challenges into opportunities. Understanding conflict sources. Cultural differences can lead to misunderstandings and conflicts. Identifying the root causes of these conflicts is essential for resolution. Story: Maria and James often argued about time management. In Spanish culture, being slightly late is acceptable, while punctuality is crucial in American culture. Understanding this cultural difference helped them address the issue without resentment. Effective conflict resolution strategies. Romano suggests several strategies for resolving conflicts in intercultural relationships, including open communication, discussing issues openly and honestly, compromise, finding middle ground where both partners can be satisfied, cultural adaptation, being willing to adapt to each other's cultural practices. Application: Maria and James decided to set specific times for important events while being flexible with casual meetups, blending their cultural approaches to time. Building a strong foundation, shared values and goals. Identifying shared values. Despite cultural differences, finding and focusing on shared values can strengthen a relationship. Shared values create a common ground and a sense of unity. Example: Maria and James both value family, education, and adventure. These shared values helped them build a strong foundation for their relationship. Setting common goals. Setting common goals for the future can help couples navigate cultural differences. Whether it's planning a family, traveling, or career aspirations, having shared goals fosters unity. Story: Maria and James decided to travel together to explore each other's cultures. This goal brought them closer and provided opportunities to understand and appreciate their differences. "Traveling together has been incredible," James said, a smile spreading across his face. "Visiting Spain and seeing the places Maria grew up in, meeting her family, and experiencing her culture firsthand has given me a new appreciation for where she comes from. I loved trying the local foods, learning some Spanish phrases, and understanding the traditions that are so important to her. It's brought us so much closer and helped me understand her on a deeper level. I feel like every trip we take, we're not just exploring new places, but also discovering new facets of each other. It's like we're building a bridge between our worlds, one adventure at a time." When couples set and pursue goals together, whether it's traveling to explore each other's cultures, planning a future together, or even small daily objectives, it strengthens their bond and reinforces their commitment to each other. These shared aspirations provide direction and motivation, helping partners work as a team and support each other through challenges. Ultimately, shared goals cultivate a sense of togetherness and mutual investment, essential elements for a lasting and fulfilling relationship. Celebrating differences, the key to enrichment. Embracing cultural traditions. Celebrating each other's cultural traditions can enrich a relationship. It provides opportunities for learning and growth and shows respect for each other's heritage. Example: Maria taught James how to cook traditional Spanish dishes, and he introduced her to American BBQ traditions. These shared experiences created lasting memories and deepened their bond. Creating new traditions. Creating new traditions that blend both cultures can be a fun and meaningful way to navigate cultural differences. Maria and James started a tradition of having a yearly cultural exchange day, where they immerse themselves in each other's culture, trying new foods, music, and activities. This tradition became a highlight of their relationship. Romano notes that intercultural relationships require extra effort, patience, and adaptability. She suggests that couples be proactive in learning about each other's cultures and seeking professional guidance if needed. Practical advice: tips for navigating cultural differences. 1. Educate yourself. Learn about your partner's culture, including customs, traditions, and values. This shows respect and fosters understanding. 2. Communicate openly. Discuss your cultural backgrounds and how they influence your expectations and behaviors. Open communication can prevent misunderstandings. 3. Be flexible. Be willing to adapt and compromise. Flexibility is key to finding solutions that work for both partners. 4. Seek support. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from experts or join support groups for intercultural couples. Professional advice can provide valuable insights. 5. Celebrate diversity. Embrace and celebrate each other's cultural differences. See them as opportunities to learn and grow together. Diving into the quiz answers. Now it's time to provide the answers and comments on the quiz from the beginning. Reflect on your results to see how well you understand the dynamics of intercultural relationships. Use these insights to improve your approach, enhance communication, and celebrate the diversity in your partnership. Question 1. What is the first step in successfully managing cultural differences in a relationship? The correct answer is B. Understanding and acknowledging them. Recognizing and appreciating each other's cultural backgrounds is the first step towards building mutual respect and understanding. Question 2. Which of the following is a major benefit of embracing cultural differences in a relationship? The correct answer is A. Increased understanding and empathy. Embracing cultural differences can deepen empathy and broaden perspectives, enriching the relationship. Question 3. Which of the following is a common challenge in intercultural relationships? The correct answer is B. Understanding each other's cultural norms and values. Navigating different cultural expectations and norms is a common challenge, but also an opportunity for growth. Question 4. What is an effective strategy for dealing with language barriers in an intercultural relationship? The correct answer is B. Learning and practicing each other's languages. Making an effort to learn each other's language can improve communication and show dedication to the relationship. Question 5. How can couples balance family traditions from different cultures? The correct answer is C. By creating new blended traditions. Combining traditions can honor both cultures and create unique shared experiences that strengthen the bond. Question 6. What role does flexibility play in navigating cultural differences in relationships? The correct answer is B. It helps find solutions that work for both partners. Flexibility allows couples to adapt and find compromises, making the relationship more harmonious and resilient. Question 7. According to experts, why is open communication crucial in intercultural relationships? The correct answer is B. It helps prevent misunderstandings and resolve conflicts. Open communication is key to understanding each other's perspectives and resolving conflicts before they escalate. Question 8. How can couples deal with societal pressures and stereotypes in intercultural relationships? The correct answer is B. By supporting each other and focusing on their own relationship. Solidarity and focusing on the relationship itself help couples withstand external pressures and stereotypes. Question 9. What should be a primary focus for couples to build a strong foundation in their relationship despite cultural differences? The correct answer is A. Identifying shared values and goals. Shared values and goals provide a strong foundation and common direction, helping couples navigate cultural differences. Question 10. Why is celebrating each other's cultural traditions beneficial in a relationship? The correct answer is A. It shows respect and fosters understanding. Celebrating each other's traditions demonstrates respect and helps build a deeper connection through shared experiences. Conclusion: the beauty of cultural diversity in relationships. Navigating cultural differences in a relationship is an ongoing journey of discovery, growth, and enrichment. While challenges are inevitable, they can be transformed into opportunities for deeper connection and mutual respect. By embracing cultural diversity, communicating effectively, and applying insights from experts like Gary Chapman and Dugan Romano, couples can build strong, harmonious relationships that celebrate both their unique backgrounds and shared values. As Maria and James learned, the key to navigating cultural differences lies in understanding, empathy, and a willingness to adapt and grow together. Their story, like many others, is a testament to the beauty and strength that cultural diversity can bring to a relationship. By approaching cultural differences with an open heart and mind, couples can create a rich tapestry of love and connection that transcends cultural boundaries. So, embark on this journey with curiosity and compassion, and discover the profound joy that comes from truly understanding and embracing the diverse world of love. The way we nurture our relationships defines the quality of our lives. If this video helped you reflect on your connections, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content on love, communication, and personal growth. And now it's your turn. What's one insight from this video that truly resonated with you? Let's discuss in the comments. Join our community, absolutely free to learn even more on this topic. Don't miss out. We've got even more free insights waiting for you. Click the link in the description and unlock the next step on your journey.